Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka sarkar jilla kala thaw ya ka committee ka ban khmi ki kam ki bia dei ki kali toris ba kamai hapo ka jilla pensngo menteri rangba Conrad K Sangma shakilat pathai khubor hadin ga jingyalang cabinet. U Conrad ulabatha yu director ka tourism ban thaw ya ka committee ka ber red ban bishari ki jingdawa ki kali toris hadu katnu kakta ki kali toris ki ki jingai jimut bat ki lenti ban penbet ki badan hakmat jongi katnu tuli ki kali toris ki badon bat katnu tuli ki kali toris ki wana shabar. Ka committee kandoni ki khot na po khatna tourism law police district administration bar kiwe kitnan na lor ki kinhun ki badan mentalang hakakam. Ka sarkar jilla ka kwa banwan ra ka rai shisin banyo jingken ni ka jinglong jingman ha kalinti ka babnya ba bar on ai lat kumju ya baro ki kinhun bakin penpau yi ki jing sngokya halor ka ne ka kam ya thu Conrad K Sangma Conrad ula penpau kumbanga ong kalong ka badan kam baki taxi association barki nongniah daladi kinne don lang ban yakran barki ban tip ki ki jing terwa ki lenti bangi don hakman ka ka senjam bangi la ban shim ka ban ja ladangi shim ya kini ki senjam barki we
I've received the particular letter from the taxi association, and I'm aware about their concerns. And of course, there are a lot of issues that are there that they have mentioned. So I've directed the director of tourism to form a small committee where we have members from the tourism, the law, police, district administration, and other departments concerned, and more importantly, the stakeholders themselves, to really come up with the full comprehensive analysis of what this entire sector and how the taxis are being impacted, what are the suggestions and solutions that we have in front of us, how many taxis are there, how many tourists are coming in. So we want to come out with a decision once we are able to really assess the situation in a detailed manner and give a fair chance to all the stakeholders to express their concerns about this issue. So that committee has already been formed. At least we have notified from our side the director of tourism, and he will be co-opting members. As I said, more importantly, the taxi association and drivers themselves. Bring them on board, discuss with them in detail what is exactly the issues, what are the proposals, what are the options that we have in front of us, what steps could we take, what would be the reaction to the steps that we may take, and if those reactions do take place, are we ready for those reactions or not. So it'll require all these aspects of it. How many taxi drivers are there, registered, unregistered, how many people will be impacted. So all those aspects need to be really looked into before we can really come to a conclusive decision. So I'm hopeful that that the directors committee will very shortly meet everybody and submit a report quickly to us. And post that, I will definitely be calling the different stakeholders and discussing, and we'll find how we will be able to move forward in this entire direction.